Hi everyone, my name is Bethany and today I will teach you how to publish a game. Before we publish our game though, let's go ahead and make sure that we have a spawn location so that when we publish our game, players will be able to spawn at a certain location. Because without a spawn location, we don't really have an area to, start the game. So to do so, go ahead and navigate to the Explorer window, click on Workspace, this plus sign right over here, and click on spawn location. So we have our spawn location right over here. So place it at where you want to start. So since I want to start right over here, I will put my spawn location right here. For the spawn location, you can change its color. I'm going to do it green, and let's change the material to grass, because grass is green. So now that we have our spawn location, we are ready to publish. So to publish, it's really simple. You're going to click on File and Publish to Roblox. So the name can be anything that you want. So I'll do very easy obby game description. It can be anything that you want. So describe the game that you made. So my game was really easy. So I'll say this was a really easy game. This was a really easy. This was a really easy game to build. Good luck. And you're going to click create. And then you'll see how it says very easy obby game successfully published. So to navigate to our game, we're going to go back to roblox.com and then click on create. So you see how it says very easy obby game, which is the game we just made. Go ahead and make it public. If you want your friends to play, save it. And go ahead and click cancel to go out. And then start play. It's very easy obby game. Go ahead and click on that. And there's your game. So if you don't have the actual Roblox application downloaded, and when you click play, it'll download the Roblox application for you. But since I already have Roblox downloaded, it'll take me immediately to the game. And just like that, I published my very first game. Good luck building, everyone!